I'll not.
Chupa chup, bed
I tell.
candy, chocolate.
I tell.
Come on.
You know, in my life, I was eating bad things. Cheesy, jelly, jams. I would not listen to my mama, papa. I was just eating bad things. Now I started listening to mama, papa. One day, there was a boy. He was taking so many cheesy in his hand. And he went to his home and he hid in cupboard. And he said that he said to his brother, come, let's eat chips and super soup. And then he came, and then they said, and they closed the light. After some time, it was evening, and his mother was searching her sons. She was searching outside, inside the chair, in cupboard, upstairs, under the table, everywhere something. But she found her. It was in black cupboard. And they were eating cheesy. When she opened the door, the kids washed their face and cleaned their face because her mother will say that they brought cheesy and they were eating. Then they cleaned it, and her mother opened the door, and then they saw, did you eat cheesy or apple? They said, I eat fruits. Then mother said, are you lying? They said, no. So then she called out their son and they came. They said, and now do your homework. After homework, and then his daddy came up, and then he thought that he saw little bit they were eating cheesy. Here was dirty, and another brother also was dirty, and he said, you eat cheesy? And his mother came and said, no, he didn't. They didn't eat cheesy, they eat fruit. They tell to me, you eat cheese, they eat fruits, they are lying. And her mother said, no, they eat fruits. And his daddy said to mother that I know they eat cheesy in cupboard. And then her mother scolded the kids and his daddy also, because cheese is bad things and fruits are good, vegetables are good, so we should eat them. We should not eat jams. We should eat apple, fruit, mango, strawberry, banana and more fruits. With that we can become strong. Thank you.
My God, Shreshth, you did an awesome job.
I love you. So good, baby. Amazing. Good effort. Good job.